For folks diving into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, the digital landscape can sometimes feel like a maze of possibilities. Amid this exploration, a handy companion comes in the form of a cryptocurrency calculator. This tool proves to be quite valuable in empowering enthusiasts to make savvy decisions within the dynamic world of digital assets. In the following video, we'll take a closer look at the ins and outs of using a cryptocurrency calculator. It's like a guide that helps you navigate through the complexities and gain a deeper understanding of the fascinating universe of digital currencies. Understanding the basics. Let's start by getting the basics down. A cryptocurrency calculator is like your go-to buddy on the internet for handling all sorts of digital money math. It's not just about simple addition and subtraction. This tool lets you do cool stuff like switching between different cryptocurrencies, figuring out if you made gains or losses, and checking out possible investment scenarios. It's basically your sidekick for navigating the crypto world's number game. Now, if you're wondering what kind of calculations we're talking about, it's the whole shebang, converting between various cryptocurrencies, working out your profits or losses, and exploring what could happen if you decide to throw some cash into the crypto mix. It's like your financial Swiss Army knife but for the world of digital coins. Cool, right? Step 1. Accessing a cryptocurrency calculator. When venturing into the exciting realm of cryptocurrencies, your first step is to locate a trustworthy cryptocurrency calculator. These invaluable tools are available on various platforms and websites, each boasting its own distinctive features. While many favor the widely used CoinMarketCap, feel free to venture out and discover the one that aligns best with your preferences. Exploring the diverse options allows you to tailor your experience and find a cryptocurrency calculator that caters to your specific needs. So, take your time, dive into different platforms, and choose the one that resonates with you on your crypto journey. Step 2. Navigating the interface. Once you've selected a cryptocurrency calculator, familiarize yourself with its interface. You'll typically find input fields for entering details such as the amount of cryptocurrency, the currency pair you want to convert, and other relevant information. If there any time throughout the short video if you'd like to know more about Bitcoin or cryptocurrency, click the link in the description. Step 3. Conversions and calculations. The main purpose of a cryptocurrency calculator is to facilitate conversions between various digital assets. For instance, if you possess a specific amount of Bitcoin and wish to determine its equivalent value in Ethereum, the process is straightforward. Just input the quantity of Bitcoin you own and choose Ethereum as the target cryptocurrency within the calculator. In response, the calculator will furnish you with the converted value, taking into account the prevailing market rates. This functionality makes cryptocurrency calculators handy tools for individuals navigating the dynamic world of digital assets. They simplify the process of understanding and comparing the values of different cryptocurrencies, allowing users to make informed decisions based on real-time market data. Step 4. Profit and loss analysis. Cryptocurrency calculators play a crucial role in analyzing potential profits or losses for investors. To utilize this tool, you simply need to input specific details of your investment, such as the purchase price and quantity. Once these details are entered, the calculator goes to work, generating insights into your potential gains or losses based on the current market conditions. This feature provides investors with a valuable resource for better understanding and evaluating the potential outcomes of their cryptocurrency investments. Step 5. Exploring advanced features. For those with intermediate knowledge in cryptocurrency, delving into the advanced features of cryptocurrency calculators becomes crucial. These features encompass historical price data, portfolio tracking, and real-time market updates. By leveraging these functionalities, you can elevate your decision-making process, gaining a more comprehensive understanding of the dynamic cryptocurrency market landscape. Exploring the historical trends and fluctuations in prices allows you to discern patterns and make informed predictions. Meanwhile, keeping a close eye on your portfolio's performance and receiving real-time market updates empowers you to adapt swiftly to changes, ultimately enhancing your overall engagement with the cryptocurrency space. In conclusion, mastering the use of a cryptocurrency calculator is a crucial skill for any intermediate enthusiast. By following these steps and incorporating the keyword phrase throughout your exploration, you'll empower yourself to make informed decisions in the dynamic world of digital currencies. Happy calculating! Would a crypto calculator make it easier for you to start investing in cryptocurrency? Leave a comment in the comment section below. And check out the calculator I use. The link is in the description. If you like this short video, please give me a thumbs up, comment, like and subscribe. Happy investing!